up, sleepyhead? We're gonna be so late for the interview.
Wait! That was today?
Yeah, fashion designer Marco Beretti is in town to debut his hot new fashion line. We have an interview with him for the Bratz magazine digital feature, remember? We have to be there in 60, and you're still catching Z's? Could you round up the girls and make sure they're ready? Wait a sec. You're still giving me major sleepy vibes. Try stretching your legs a little first. Let's move around the room. Slammin'. Now, see how the phone on the table's lit up? That means you can... Why don't you try getting close to it? Then grab it. I swear I saw it around here somewhere.
Uh-oh. What's wrong, Yasmin? Is it the Tweevils? Ghosts? Aliens? Ghost aliens?
Chill, Chloe. It's just my denim jacket. I can't find it and I want to wear it to the interview with Beretti.
Oh, but you look scorching already.
Thanks. But that jacket was gonna complete my look. Can you help me find it? I think I left it in the hall. My jacket! Oh, Angel! You're an angel! This'll totally make the look. We should take a photo. Let's start by getting the camera out. Whoa, those are some selfie skills! Post it! You know, now I see it. This jacket doesn't work with these shoes at all. But bye, denim jacket! Your cuteness is not needed today. You know what, though? It'll look rockin' on you. Why don't you try it on? Come on, let's hit the wardrobe.
Hey, Chloe, what's the 411? Hold up, we're heading out already? Yeah, Sasha, the interview is in an hour. An hour? It's just, I was hoping to redo my makeup before we left, but I can't find my... No stress, Bunny Boo. We can always find time to help a bestie in need. I'll find it for you. Girl, you're a lifesaver. I think it was in the main room someplace. You found it! I swear, that's the last time there's more than 5 feet between me and my lip gloss. Ooh, I just got a great idea. Let's give you a little makeover before we leave. Let's move, people. Head to the vanity.
Okay, ladies, we ready to do this thing?
Fashion interview, here we come.
Come on, Bratz Pack, time to hit them all.
Wait, how? I forgot how to get there. What if we get lost and wind up in the wilderness? Then it'll rain and my hair will be ruined, and then we'll have to dress like a lumberjack and live in the woods forever.
Whoa, Angel. Reality check. We'll use the map application on our phones. It's easy. Here, I'll show you.
big-time fashion reporter. You ready for the interview?
I'm actually kind of nervous. Can we go over the questions again?
Sure. What are friends for? So, according to my notes, Marco Beretti is from Milan, Italy. He's been a fashion designer for 20 years. And his hot new clothing line is inspired by Italian rock bands.
Italian rock bands? This guy's my vibe. We should ask him about that.
Totally! That's a great clue! Sometimes we'll find clues we can use during our interviews. If we find all of them, it'll for sure make our interview better.
I've added takes inspiration from Italian rock bands to the list of clues for the interview. Thanks for the pep talk, guys. Mwah!
Can I help you?
Hi, Mr. Baretti. Yasmin here, reporting for Bratz magazine. We're here for...
The interview? Yes. About my new clothing line, see?
That's right. You ready?
Not at all. It's a disaster. My little Paola has disappeared.
Oh my gosh! Your daughter's gone missing?
My daughter? No, my puppy. My beautiful, darling puppy. She ran off while I was distracted by a simply perfect pair of jeans. Curse my impossibly brilliant eye for fashion.
Don't worry, Mr. Baretti. No one knows Stylesville like we do. We'll help you find her.
Oh, grazie, girls. Thank you.
together when the call is done. You'll see me and all my girls just doing our own thing. And we know we all got it going on. Stopping us. It's a girl thing, just having a little fun. She call me all the time, and I do the same thing. Gonna get together when the call is done. You'll see me and all my girls just doing our own thing, and we know we all got it going on. It's a girl thing, ain't nothing stopping
Baretti.
Oh, Paola, my beautiful Paola, how I missed you. Thank you.
Don't mention it.
Now, where were we? The interview. Now is the perfect time to dive in. See?
Okay, Mr. Baretti, interview time. Let's.
My favorite subject.
What inspired you to become a fashion designer?
Fashion is my way of sharing beauty and passion with the world.
What's this season's hottest accessory?
Chunky chain necklaces, of course.
One last thing. Is it true that your newest line is inspired by Italian rock bands?
Why, yes, you're well informed, I see. Leather, safety pins, fishnets, all inspired by my meetings with Italian rock legends.
And that's it, Mr. Baretti. All done. Before you go, let's finish up with a selfie. Did someone say photo shoot?
Guys, we did it! That interview was slammin'.
Right?
Time to get this style and scoop live on the Bratz magazine site.
You said it, Cool Cat. Come on, ladies. Let's head to the apartment and publish the story on the computer.
customers! Here to buy tickets for the talent show?
A talent show? Here in Stylesville? Huh. First I've heard about it.
Figures. I hired some reporters to promote the event, but they never showed up.
No sweat. We're all about spreading the word on hot happenings in Stylesville. You're talking to the
Bratz magazine, huh? Can't say I've heard of it. Tell you what, if you can get 10,000 subscribers, I'll set you up with front row seats for an exclusive scoop on the show. isn't Bunny Boo herself?
Fiona, what are you up to, girl? Soaking in some Stylesville sun? Because today is hot.
You got me. I'm also running some rad yoga sessions in the park. Some of my students are over there now doing some crazy yoga contests. You girls should join in! I'll even throw in a prize for the winner.
Excuse me, girls, but are you the Bratz pack?
We sure are!
Oh, wonderful. I'm a designer looking to capture the beauty of nature in my work. I hope to take the spirit of the outdoors and bring it to the forefront of fashion.
So, you must be here at the park to get some inspiration then.
Precisely. The park is home to the most majestic of creatures, the squirrel. But, well, they seem to be camera shy for us today. None of my design team can get them to stand still for a photo. Say, do you think you could take some pictures and help us capture the beauty of these adorable little things?
You got it!
Oh, thank you. I knew I could count on you.
Hey, Professor! We got those squirrel pics you asked for. I swear those little guys just knew how to rock a pose.
Wow. You girls have a real eye for wildlife photography.
You know, this would make for a pretty great story. The beauty of nature, fashion in the trees. Do you think we could interview you for Bratz magazine?
Oh my, yes, please.
So, what is it about nature that captures your imagination when designing?
The great outdoors demands respect. It can be both strong yet delicate.
And you have a penchant for squirrels in your next designs?
Well, I don't want to give too much away. But yes, these creatures of the forest, well, park, are a perfect example of what makes nature so beautiful.
And that's a wrap on our animal aficionado. Now a quick pick for the magazine.